Here is the lowest amount needed to live off SCHD. Charles Schwab. Living off dividends is a financial goal for many investors seeking financial independence or early retirement. One of the most popular ETFs for dividend income is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHD. Known for its consistent dividend payouts, low expense ratio, and solid portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying companies, SCHD has become a favorite among income-focused investors. But how much money do you need invested in SCHD to live off its dividends? This article will break down the numbers, explain how SCHD works, and provide actionable strategies to help you achieve your goal of financial independence using SCHD. Understanding SCHD, what makes it a reliable income source? Before we dive into the numbers, let's take a closer look at SCHD and why it's a good candidate for generating passive income. 1. Dividend yield. SCHD's dividend yield typically hovers around 3.5% to 4% annually, though it can fluctuate depending on market conditions. This yield represents the annual income you receive from dividends as a percentage of your investment. 2. Dividend growth. One of the key strengths of SCHD is its dividend growth rate. The ETF invests in companies with a strong history of growing their dividends consistently, helping your income keep pace with or exceed inflation. 3. Low expense ratio. SCHD's expense ratio is only 0.06%, making it one of the cheapest ETFs available. This means more of your money is working for you instead of being eaten away by fees. 4. Diversified portfolio. SCHD is composed of 100 high-quality dividend-paying U.S. companies diversified across various sectors. This reduces risk and ensures a steady stream of income. With these characteristics, SCHD offers both income stability and growth potential, making it a great option for those looking to live off dividends. Step 1. Determine your annual living expenses. First step in determining how much you need to invest in SCHD is calculating your annual living expenses. This amount will vary depending on your location, lifestyle, and personal circumstances. For example, basic lifestyle, $30,000 to $40,000 per year. Comfortable lifestyle, $50,000 to $70,000 per year. Luxury lifestyle, $100,000 plus per year. Let's assume you want to live a comfortable lifestyle, requiring $50,000 annually. We'll use this figure as our benchmark for the rest of the article. Step 2. Calculate the investment needed using dividend yield. To determine how much you need invested in SCHD, use the formula. Investment needed equals annual expenses dividend yield. Let's assume SCHD has an average dividend yield of 3.5%. $50,000 0.035 equals $1,428,571. This means you would need approximately $1.43 million invested in SCHD to generate $50,000 in annual dividend income. Step 3. Factor in taxes. Dividends are subject to taxes, so you'll need to account for this when calculating how much you need. The tax rate on qualified dividends in the U.S. depends on your income level. 0% for individuals earning up to $44,625 single or $89,250 married filing jointly. 15% for individuals earning between $44,626 and $492,300 single or $89,251 and $553,850 married filing jointly. 20% for higher income levels. Assuming a 15% tax rate on dividends, your net dividend yield would be 2.975% after taxes. Using this adjusted yield, the formula becomes $50,000 0.02975 equals $1,680,672. So, to account for taxes, you would need approximately $1.68 million invested in SCHD to live off $50,000 annually. Step 4. Factor in inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, so it's important to consider how your income will keep up with rising costs. Fortunately, SCHD focuses on companies with a history of dividend growth. If SCHD's dividends grow at an average annual rate of 5%, this could offset inflation, which historically averages around 3%. For simplicity, we'll assume SCHD's dividend growth keeps pace with inflation. This means your purchasing power should remain stable over time, and you wouldn't need to adjust your initial investment significantly for inflation. Step 5. Strategies to reach your target investment. If the amount needed to live off SCHD seems daunting, don't worry. With a solid strategy and patience, it's achievable. Here are some steps to help you reach your goal. 1. Start early. The sooner you start investing, the more time you give your money to grow through the power of compounding. Even small, consistent investments can lead to substantial wealth over time. 2. Reinvest dividends. Take advantage of a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP, which allows you to automatically reinvest your dividends to purchase additional shares of SCHD. This accelerates the compounding process and helps you reach your target investment faster. 3. Make consistent contributions. Regularly contribute to your SCHD investment, even if it's just a small amount. Use dollar-cost averaging to build your portfolio steadily while minimizing the impact of market volatility. 4. Control expenses. Cutting unnecessary expenses allows you to save and invest more money. Redirecting even a small percentage of your income toward SCHD can have a significant impact over time. 5. Diversify your income streams. While SCHD is an excellent income-generating investment, consider diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk. You can combine SCHD with other dividend ETFs, REITs, or income-focused investments for additional stability. Step 6. What if you need less or more? The amount needed to live off SCHD will vary depending on your financial goals and lifestyle. Here are some alternative scenarios. Basic lifestyle, $30,000 annual expenses. $30,000 0.0 to 975 equals $1,008,403. You would need approximately $1 million invested in SCHD to generate $30,000 annually after taxes. Luxury lifestyle, $100,000 annual expenses. $100,000 0.0 to 975 equals $3,361,345. You would need approximately $3.36 million invested in SCHD to generate $100,000 annually after taxes. These examples illustrate how your required investment changes based on your lifestyle and income needs. Why SCHD is a great choice for dividend income. 1. Consistency. SCHD has a proven track record of delivering consistent and growing dividends, making it a reliable income source. 2. Low fees. Its low expense ratio ensures more of your money is working for you. 3. Dividend growth. SCHD's focus on companies with strong dividend growth helps protect against inflation and ensures rising income over time. 4. Diversification. SCHD's diversified portfolio reduces risk, providing income stability. Potential risks of living off SCHD. While SCHD is an excellent investment for dividend income, there are some risks to consider. 1. Market volatility. SCHD's share price can fluctuate based on market conditions, which could impact the value of your portfolio. 2. Dividend cuts. There's always a risk that some companies in SCHD's portfolio may reduce or eliminate their dividends during economic downturns. 3. Inflation risks. If dividend growth fails to keep pace with inflation, your purchasing power could decline over time. 4. Regulatory risks. Changes in tax laws or regulations could affect the taxation of dividends. How compounding works in SCHD. Compounding occurs when your earnings generate additional earnings. In the case of SCHD, this means reinvesting dividends to purchase additional shares of the ETF. These additional shares, in turn, generate their own dividends, creating a snowball effect of growing income and portfolio value. Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Quarterly dividends. SCHD pays out dividends every quarter. 2. Reinvesting dividends. Instead of withdrawing these dividends, you reinvest them to buy more shares of SCHD. 3. Exponential growth. Over time, the reinvested dividends increase the number of shares you own, which further increases the dividends you receive in subsequent payouts. The process accelerates as time goes on, creating an exponential growth curve for your investment portfolio. Benefits of SCHD compounding. 1. Wealth accumulation over time. Compounding helps your portfolio grow significantly over the years. Even small, consistent investments can lead to substantial wealth when given enough time. 2. Passive income stream. Reinvesting dividends allows you to grow your passive income steadily. Eventually, the dividends alone can cover expenses or provide a reliable income source in retirement. 3. Dividend growth adds fuel. Many companies in SCHD increase their dividends annually, further boosting the compounding effect. This dividend growth ensures your income keeps up with inflation and increases your wealth over time. 4. Low-cost investment. With a minimal expense ratio, SCHD allows more of your money to work for you, maximizing the benefits of compounding. 5. Reduced risk through diversification. SCHD's diversified portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying companies minimizes risk while delivering consistent returns. How to maximize compounding with SCHD. 1. Start early. Time is the most critical factor in compounding. The earlier you start investing, the longer your money has to grow. 2. Reinvest dividends automatically. Take advantage of a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP offered by most brokerages. This ensures your dividends are reinvested immediately, allowing compounding to work without interruption. 3. Make consistent contributions. Regularly investing in SCHD, even small amounts, can accelerate the compounding process. Dollar cost averaging is an effective strategy for maintaining consistent contributions. 4. Hold for the long term. Compounding rewards patience. Avoid the temptation to sell your investment prematurely and stay committed to your long-term financial goals. A hypothetical example. Let's say you invest $10,000 in SCHD, which provides an annual dividend yield of 3.5%. If you reinvest the dividends and the ETF grows at an average annual rate of 8%, your portfolio could grow as follows. After 10 years, approximately 22,000. After 20 years, over 50,000. After 30 years, more than 120,000. This example illustrates the exponential growth that compounding delivers, especially when paired with consistent reinvestments and long-term growth. Why SCHD is a great choice for compounding. SCHD's focus on dividend-paying companies with strong fundamentals makes it an ideal candidate for compounding. Its combination of dividend yield, dividend growth, low costs, and diversification provides a perfect foundation for long-term wealth building. Additionally, SCHD's historical performance has demonstrated stability and reliable returns, further reinforcing its suitability for investors looking to grow their portfolios through compounding. Final thoughts. SCHD compounding is a proven strategy for building long-term wealth. By reinvesting dividends, maintaining consistency, and leveraging the power of time, you can significantly grow your investment portfolio. Whether you're saving for retirement, financial independence, or generational wealth, SCHD offers an effective and reliable path to achieving your goals. Start early, stay disciplined, and let the power of compounding do the rest. With SCHD, your journey toward financial success is just a step away.